Your Excellency, our elder statesman, the former Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Chief Babachir Lawal, and our elders from the ADC, starting with the former Honorable Minister, Distinguished Senator, and the two distinguished senators, my brother, the Speaker of the Bauchi State House of Assembly, the DNC Deputy National Chairman of our battered party, the PDP, and of course the Chairman and other members, my colleagues, members of the press. The elder statesman has said it all. I'm here this morning with a delegation from the ADC headquarters, where my mentor, my boss, Senator David Mag is leading, and he has sent an olive leaf to me to reconnect me with the umbilical cord of the opposition, where I have always emerged from. Certainly as a leader in the PDP, we have found ourselves really in a very serious ambivalence, where our party is headless, and of course I have pursued all avenues for reconciliation, but it has not worked. And our people are putting me under extreme pressure. And we have set up two committees, one in Abuja at the national level, because of my position as a leader of the party on the other side, and one here to look at where to go. We laid all our options on the ground, including APC itself. But certainly we have discovered that we cannot be where we are not wanted. We have to find a place within the opposition. That is where our fate and political destiny is taking us to. And ADC appears to be a very enduring and of course luring and more acceptable platform by the people that are talking to me so far. But because I'm managing two constituencies, Bauchi and the Federation, we will try. If we are doing something, we do well. If we are doing well, we have to come together with all the parties, all the interests in the PDP at the national and subnational level. And that is where our discussion has taken long, but really we have told them we are amenable to joining them if certain things and conditions and negotiations are concluded, as well as other parties that we are looking for. But as of now, I think they are our preferred destination, but we have not concluded in a manner that we have to deepen stakeholding and collaboration so that we don't make mistakes. And that's where we are. We are very grateful for that recognition, because when you are facing a very serious political problem like ours, and somebody will offer a hand, we are very modest, and our humility is such that we are nothing until we go to the field. We believe in winning election, and elections are done at the polling unit and won at the polling unit, and we are not scared of anybody. We have done all we could do to be able to go for self-preservation, escapism, and of course amiable political participation, but it is not working. Therefore, we have to face the challenges of this existential solution that is being provided to us by ADC. We, on behalf of the people and government of Bauchi State, and indeed the PDP, the other faction, the faction that has been distraught, thank the national chairman of the ADC for offering this opportunity to us. Definitely we will not allow it to slip out of our hands, considering the pedigree and antecedents of those that have been sent. Thank you very much. Any question?
Okay, Your Excellency, Governor Bala Mohammed, considering that time is very limited for you to make a decision, are we expecting any formal announcement soon? When should we expect that? And then you also spoke about the reconciliation committee set up in PDP under Saraki. Did you meet with them, and what was the status of that meeting?
Well, the timeline, I will start with that. The timeline, we are very conscious of the timeline. Everything will be concluded by Thursday, so that we'll be able to be on the same page and not to exclude ourselves from participation. And so you will hear a firm commitment from us by Thursday when we would have met in Abuja with all the parties. I said I have to carry everybody along. Regarding the reconciliation, I have done everything I could. I met the APC even at the national level. I met the chairman of the APC because as a leader I must open my flanks. And I even went to see Mr. President 3 times so that he will engender the reconciliation, because we have somebody called Mgbeke that is being used to destroy us, and in fact he is causing so much disaffection, and the president was amenable to reconciliation. But by the time I came, I decided to even see Mgbeke himself in his house. I swallowed my ego and met him. But what he told me was, he is already a conqueror. He has conquered us. He is taking all the position of the PDP. And what I was thinking, that the convention will not hold and will discontinue our litigations so that we can come to negotiation. But neither the presidency, Mgbeke or anybody called me. They went ahead with their ill-conceived convention. And as it is, anywhere you are, either you are on Mgbeke's side or you are on my side, you run the risk of winning election and losing it in the court. Because even those caretaker committee that midwifed the convention, they have been discountenanced by the competent court of law, that is the Court of Appeal. And in our own case, our convention has been set aside. So we are not novices, we are not arrogant, we are law-abiding, we believe in the rule of law, and that's why we have to find space for our people. Thank you.
People may want to know why ADC and not APC.
ADC because it's the opposition. APC, we are not wanted there because we have not been approached, and we try to get there. But certainly, our antecedents will connect most of the people around us preferring ADC or other parties than APC. I open up, if they say we should go to APC, we will go. But I think the preference is to go to opposition parties.
Your Excellency, I'm Isiaka Wonti from Radio Nigeria. Sir, sometimes discussion of this nature came with condition. I don't know if in the course of your discussion you may wish to...
No, we cannot do it. There is no condition. What we call it negotiation is no condition. When you are drowning and somebody offers a hand, you don't have so much to say, but certainly you have to protect yourself. Any other question?
Sir, I have a question, sir. Sir, good afternoon, Your Excellency. My name is Ahmed Kaigama. I work with News Agency of Nigeria. Sir, you said your preferred destination is ADC. By implication, you are already in APC, sir.
No,
ADC, sorry.
I said there are other places like PRP, YPP, APM, but our preferred recommended destination from the committee here is ADC, but I don't know what will be the preferred destination at the national committee that I set up under our leader, Professor Jerry Ghana. And that's why I'm not being categorical that we are joining.
Your Excellency, I will make these statements and I want your reaction. I will put fire in Bauchi. I have extinguisher to quench the fire. What's your reaction?
That is what my friend Mgbeke said. Yes, he has put the fire, but we have extinguished it because there is no fire here. Are you under any heat? So there is no fire here. If you are not liked in one place, you will be liked in another place. The universe is a very interesting creation by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You can oscillate, you can live somewhere. And nobody holds life and death. It is only God. And we are proud that we stood our ground, me and my brother Sheikh Makinde, to the last. And we did that at the cost and convenience of ourselves, our families, and our governments. And now we have to take the next leap after taking this to a logical conclusion where our party has been dissected, headless. You cannot stand there anymore. And so we are realists, and we believe that we have fought that monster to a level where he has taken the party to where he wants, because what he told me is that he wanted the party to be used in 2031. I want the party to be used in 2027. And since I have people that are believing in me, following me all the way, I cannot but look for other alternatives. But certainly I don't think I have allowed the fire to burn in Bauchi. Thank you. As a leader, I'm a leader, a national leader, boss, national, and this thing. When we are moving like a train. The whole PDP will move to any party that we want. And that is the time they will test democracy. And they will test the power of PDP and the opposition. Because I don't want to move alone. It's not about Bauchi. As for Bauchi, when we are moving from the ward chairman, councillors, local government chairman, and everybody will move to any party. And we are not afraid of confronting APC here or anywhere. But when you look at the national, with all our human capital, even the ADC, they are our creation. They left earlier, we are just joining our brothers and sisters there. So you will see an amalgamation or a metamorphosis of the opposition that is ready at the end of the day. But certainly I try my best to be in the mainstream, but as destiny would have it, I'm a man of the opposition. I emerged from the 2007 to become a senator from the opposition. The same thing in 2011, I fought a sitting government. And in 2023, I fought also from the opposition. So we believe in God, and we believe that platform is a platform. Thank you.